Keeping It Real simulation training, the benefits. Throughout the video, simulated child protection investigations are featured in a home environment, a courtroom, and a medical facility. Mary Kennedy Moore, trainer, Illinois Department of Children and Family Services.
Simulation makes a world of difference because it's okay to teach in a classroom, to tell you everything about policy and procedure, to go through the book work, but it's nothing like hands-on, I'm doing it for myself kind of work.
MARSHAE Terry, Associate Director, Child Protection Training Academy, University of Illinois Champaign, followed by Monica Whittington Eskridge, Chief Learning Officer, Illinois Department of Children and Family Services.
Everything that they've learned in those 4 weeks prior to coming to us is now on the table to be tested out.
We really want to give them that opportunity to be self-reflective about their practice, to give them the opportunity to make some of the mistakes that people like me who had training and went right out into the field, when you stop and think, oh my goodness, I really should have approached that differently.
Tierney Stutz, Deputy Director of Child Protection, Illinois Department of Child and Family Services, followed by Jennifer Hall, Investigator, Illinois Department of Children and Family Services.
Investigators speak to this experience being the thing that has made them feel like they can do it. What better way for them to practice their commitment and dedication and desire to do this job so well than giving them this opportunity to be vulnerable in a place that's not dangerous?
It's great for other people to be able to practice in an environment that's safe. You see where maybe they could have done a little better, go back, try it again.
What I've heard investigators say is, I realize I have to work on that. I need to get that figured out before I'm in a situation like that, because the results of that really can negatively impact their ability to make timely and informed assessments about the safety of the children in that household.
When I got to see other people in my training do the simulation, I found it to be just more interactive and more interesting. Not only did I have my own personal experience in the home, I could draw from the experience that other classmates were having as well.
They have the opportunity to see it modeled for them in terms of what is the desired approach in terms of engaging families, and how do you deal with challenging situations with families, treating them with dignity, respect, and always keeping first and foremost that they are the experts on their family.
By being able to have these conversations with the family, the workforce has developed sort of what is the most important thing to have when you walk in a house, which is confidence.
To explore the other resources in the series, please visit capacity.childwelfare.gov/states. Logos for the Keeping It Real series, the Children's Bureau, and the Capacity Building Center for States. This video was created by the Capacity Building Center for States, funded by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Administration for Children and Families, Children's Bureau, under contract number HHSP 2332-0150-0071I. Special thanks to representatives of the University of Illinois Child Protection Training Academy and the Illinois Department of Children and Family Services.